Hi, I'm Tanya from Belleville Toyota. Today we're going to talk about navigating the new multimedia system. This new multimedia system was first introduced in the 2022 Tundra. As you can see on this one where it says current driver, it says guest. When you're programmed into the multimedia system, it will actually say your name. Under your personal info would have all your information, your Bluetooth devices, then you have your general, your notifications, Wi-Fi, display where you can adjust all the display settings, your sound and media, voice and search, vehicle customization, your dealer info, info and security, software update, and apps. Moving on to the next button is your vehicle button. Under here, you're going to find your climate control button, your comfort, and your trip information. Then up from there, you have your telephone. If you're not connected to your Android Auto or Apple CarPlay, this is where you're going to have just your normal Bluetooth telephone information. Moving on from there, you go to your music. Under your music, you can save your favorites. Saving your favorites is as easy as selecting whatever station you want and just pressing the heart. When it's not selected, it won't have a heart beside it. It'll just be non-red. So when you're connected to your Android Auto, you'll notice that your symbol went from this one being at the top, which is for your Drive Connect, to your Android Auto symbol. Now, moving on to the right-hand side of the screen, you're going to notice that you have your time. That is your Bluetooth symbol saying that you're connected by Bluetooth. That tells me that my battery is full on my cell phone. That tells me that I have full cell phone service. This symbol shows that you're connected. This symbol is actually for your wireless charger. When you have your phone on the wireless charging pad, it will show on the screen blue. That means it's charging. So when you're in your Android Auto, did you know if you want to listen to your radio and you're currently listening to music off of your Android Auto, it's as easy as going onto your steering wheel and hitting your mode button. Your mode button then goes to your radio. To change stations, or through your favorites actually, you can just hit your arrows up and down off your steering wheel, and that will change your stations, and you can listen right from the radio without having to take your Android Auto off. Thank you for joining us for the overview of the new multimedia system.